Oh! 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 He landed! Megalodon and Max D! Hey!
Mylos stop!
And we are back! Oh, what you doing, man? What's you got there? A little spinner? Spin it as hard as you can, see if they land on their wheels. Yeah. Wow. Oh. Oh. Maybe Max D. Oh, he almost did a wheelie. Always. Oh, not that time. What about? Oh, whoa. What about Megalodon? Oh. All right, Mylos up there. You can see him straight through the hole. He's gonna go from there. All the monster trucks are gonna try to make their way to the bottom. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, 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 almost. Oh. Oh. Come on, Grave Digger. Oh. All right, he's up there again. We're gonna see if they can make it through these holes and to the bottom. Let's do it. Oh, he landed it! All right, here he goes one more time. Who's going first? Max D? Nope. Oh, he's got them all lined up. Oh, did he land? He didn't land it. Oh! Oh, oh! Wait, buddy, wait till, oh! Max D, or Grave Digger. Grave Digger! Oh! That was so cool. Here we go for our last one. Let's see if anybody lands it down these holes. Is it Megalodon first? Nope. Oh, 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 nope, almost. Oh, oh, oh! 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 Was that cool or what? All the way down. Landed it and landed it. All right, buddy. Was that cool? Did you have fun?
Yay!
Wow, look at the size of that slide. All right, let's head over there. All right, Milo's way up there. Hey, buddy, who do you have? And Megalodon. We're gonna see if they can come all the way down this slide. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let it rip, buddy. Oh, nobody landed it. All right, now he has Grave Digger and El Toro Loco. Look, just let me give you guys a perspective of how deep this slide is. Look at that. All the way up there. You ready?
Yeah.
Let it rip, buddy. Oh! Grave Digger definitely went the furthest, but nobody landed the jump. You want to slide down? Here comes Milo. Woo! Good job. All right, Milo's on the second slide here. This one's a little smaller. You ready? We'll come on the other side and see what they can do. Looks like Grave Digger's going first. And he landed it! Who else do we have? El Toro Loco. Oh, he didn't land it. That was a good jump though. Huh? Oh my gosh, I did it again. That was Megalodon. There's El Toro Loco. Oh, he didn't land it. And here comes Max D. Oh, didn't land it. Megalodon. Oh, he landed it. Yeah, Grave Digger. Oh, he didn't land it. See? I told you. All right, we're at the little baby tube. You can see them all in there. Oh, there you are. Look at this little baby tube. All right, let's see who's going. Max D lands the jump. Megalodon almost does a wheelie. Grave Digger. Oh. El Toro Loco. Oh, Max D wins this round. Grave Digger is stuck up there all by himself. What are we gonna do? Megalodon's gonna save him?
Yeah.
All right, let's see it. Come on. Oh no! Oh, he landed it! Okay, let's see if we can get him up there again. Oh no! Oh, he landed it again! Look at Megalodon's tail. Oh my goodness. All right, one more time. Come on, we gotta get Grave Digger. We gotta save him. Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh no! Where did he go? Oh no, now Megalodon is up there. Oh no. Buddy, what are we gonna do? Oh no. No way! Now Max D is stuck up there. All right, this is all up to you, El Toro Loco.
Yeah.
All up to you, buddy. Oh my, now they're all up there. They're all stuck up there. We have to go up and get them. We can't leave them up there.
No.
Look at, they're right there. They're all stuck. All right, I'm gonna send Milo up there. All right, hey, we got Milo up there. He securely got the monster trucks. Let's break them down, buddy. Here comes Grave Digger and El Toro Loco. Then we have Megalodon and Max D. Hey, Megalodon lands the jump. Come on down.